Hi there, this is Shamin here. In this video, I'm going to talk about force. So what is force? Well, force is push or pull in particular direction. That means it's a result from an object that interaction with another object. For example, like this is the object. If I will push, all right, and this is pull, all right. So force is a physical concept. What kind of concept? That is physical concept that describes the interaction between two objects or that can change the motion of one or both of them. For force is a push or pull that can cause an object to move or stop or change direction, all right?
Pulling is the force you exert to move something closer to you. When you pull a block, it moves toward you. Push is a force that moves something away from you or from the direction of the force. A pull is a force that moves something toward you or from the opposite direction of the force. So what can force do?
Effects of force. So force can accelerate an object. That means it can make an object speed up, slow down, or change the direction. So the greater the force applied, the greater the acceleration. For example, let me give you example like some objects like springs exert restoring force when they stressed or compressed. This means they try to return to their original shape or position when the force is removed. Or effects of
Force can change the direction of a moving object. A volleyball player uses a force to move the ball in a different direction. A force can make a moving object to speed up. A cyclist uses a bigger force to paddle her bicycle and increase its speed. A force can stop a moving object. A baseball player uses a force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. A force can change the property of a material. A baker uses force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. What are the two main categories of forces? Two categories of forces. There are two main categories of forces: contact force and non-contact forces. Contact forces result from two objects touching each other, and non-contact forces act on an object without coming into contact with another object, like a magnetic force, or you can say gravitational force, electrostatic force. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. Is the push or pull exerted by a magnet. Gravitational force is the force by which an object attracts another object toward itself. The earth pulls objects towards itself due to its gravitational force. Electrostatic force. Force is the force that exists between electrically charged particles. So here is a question, guys. Click for understanding. What is force? What can force do? What are examples of the two main categories for forces?